Hello guys, welcome to Text Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to check who unfollowed you on Instagram. Let's get started. In order to make this possible, we need to head over right here to our profile icon on the bottom. Now in here, click on these three lines, and then from in there, you can head over and then just copy or download all of your information. So you can actually scroll down right here in order to look for the ones that you're looking for. But since we have actually updated our Instagram app, you can now see it on the Meta Account Center. Now in here, scroll down until you can see the options right here for this your information and permission. Now in here, what you can do is you can head over and click on this download your information. Now in this case, you can see this. So what we can do is we can click on this download or transfer information and then just choosing here your Instagram account. Now click on this next. And then once I click on that, click on the sum of your information. Now you have in here an option, so scroll down until you can see the option for followings or followers. So you can just head over and scroll down and look for the ones that you're looking for. So just head over and then just choose this, which is the followers and following. Click on next. And then you can choose this download device. Click on next again. And then in here, just create a file that you want to download. So that's the whole process. Once you have actually downloaded it, you can compare it to the last time's unfollow request that you have on your Instagram. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, comment them down below and we'll try best to answer. Thanks.